Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: Chrome OS version, camera permission, and a signed Google account. Tap the lens icon in the Chrome Omnibox or the Files app to start scanning immediately. Once done, point the camera or upload an image. Lens analyzes visual content in seconds. You'll see suggestions appear, text actions, shopping results, or web matches. Make sure to allow camera access if the prompt appears, so Lens can capture and analyze live images without delay. Now you'll move into feature use. Select text to copy printed words or translate to convert languages on the fly. Once selected, drag to highlight the exact area and tap Copy, Search, or Listen for spoken output. This is how you extract actionable content quickly. For complex tasks, use Homework to get step-by-step help and screenshots, or Shopping to pull price comparisons. Make sure to review Lens suggestions and tap the best match. That's why results become useful, instead of just noisy links. To finish, copy any text you need, save items to Google Keep, or share results using the share sheet so your work persists. Once finished, close Lens to return to your workflow and clear recent searches if privacy matters. If Lens struggles, restart the camera app, toggle camera permissions, and confirm Chrome OS is updated. These steps fix most errors. If issues persist, sign out and back in, or reboot the Chromebook. That often resets permissions and restores Lens functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.